Hi, Dr. Cruickshank.
Hey, Jessi.
I am here today because I would like to pop out 2 babies and then have my body go right back to how it was before. So I'd like to explore my options.
Anything cosmetic is elective. It's just like renovating your bathroom. It's a want, not a need.
I'm basically renovating my body.
Yes. Every time you walk into the bathroom, you see your new taps and faucets, and it really makes you happy.
I want new taps and a faucet.
For sure.
Let's start from the top down. The bosoms.
For a lot of women, what will happen is they will lose their upper pole fullness. Some women would call droopy. And the roundness goes to a bit more of an oblong, flatter shape.
When I have droopy, oblong, and flat breasts, what are my options?
You use an implant to add volume and enhance the overall shape and contour and roundness, so to speak.
Will perkier boobs make me a better mom?
It may make you a happier mother, and a happier mother is a better mother.
Okay, so moving down, let's talk about this region. What happens to it after 2 babies have been living and growing inside of it for 9 months?
Your skin and soft tissue stretch. Even if someone's very slim, it gives them a bit of a bulge to their lower abdominal area.
Okay, and what can we do about that?
You're looking at skin tightening and fat reduction, liposuction, that would include a tummy tuck operation. We're actually excising or removing skin and fat, relocating the belly button, tightening the abdominal muscles.
And all of that because I decided to have 2 kids.
Exactly.
Let's move down even further. I'm gonna list just a few of the crotch-based procedures you perform here. You tell me what they are. Labiaplasty.
What you do is you're more or less trimming or contouring the external genitalia area.
Got it. Mons pubis reduction.
So in a lot of women, what happens is they still have excessive soft tissue above the vaginal. It's called the mons pubis area.
Right.
The most common option that would be some very minimally invasive liposuction. And yoga pants is the main concern there.
I want to look flat in my yoga pants.
Exactly.
Radio frequency vaginal tightening.
A probe is introduced internally, and what it does is helps to tighten some of the inner tissue.
Has a woman ever been unhappy with her post-op poopadoop? That's what my mom used to call it when I was a kid.
Answer that.
If I want a full head to vag mommy makeover, does insurance cover that?
Insurance plans will not cover that.
Okay.
And the medical term is not vag either. So usually we call it the perineal area.
That's
The
sexy.
pelvic region, yeah.
No insurance, no vag.
Exactly.
I think I might opt to focus on the wellness of my children more than my own sexiness. Is that a good idea?
Focus on your child, focus on diet and exercise. Then you can move on and start taking care of yourself in a bit more of an intimate, interventional way.
Got it. What's the word for vagina?
Perineal region,
I'm never gonna forget that.
I'm sure.
I'll think of you every time.